Hello everybody. I'm Arjun, Senior Technical Consultant representing Code Value Technologies, Chennai. Let us get on to the presentation. Using the latest technologies from Microsoft, we had built an app using Power Apps and Power Automate to connect with any ERP solution and provide visibility of the product details, inventory, pricing details, and to print barcode on demand basis. This app is named as Power Trans. This solution can be implemented for any retail, manufacturing, trading, and supply related organizations where inventory management is one of their core processes. Now, let me take a scenario and explain. When walking into a retail store as an inventory controller, there are certain issues related to the products on display, such as not having the right selling price, damaged barcode, limited visibility on the inventory availability, and so on and so forth. This will eventually affect the customer experience in the retail store. Assume that the end client is using Dynamics 365 for commerce as the retail solution, and we had introduced Power Apps and Power Automate, which can run on their Android devices and integrate with Dynamics 365 to retrieve the necessary data in real time. We had also provisioned for initiating a transfer request from or to the retail store depending on the inventory requirement. Now, I am going to walk you through the flow of the Power Trans app. This is the PowerTrans mobile app built using Power Apps. Assume that I am a retail user who belongs to warehouse number 11. I walk into a retail display area and come across two options. One is scan barcode and the other one is search product. Now I select the scan barcode option. This enables me to scan the barcode of the item. Let me scan the barcode. On scanning the barcode, the application displays the item name and the item code of the item scanned. Further, I could drill down to see the additional details with the on-hand inventory. Using the option print barcode label, we could print the barcode label of that particular item. Also, I have the option to view the sales price history of this particular item over the period of time for my store or warehouse. In case if I feel the inventory is on the higher side, then I'll be able to create the transfer order outward, or else I can request transfer order inward for adding up inventory. If I create the transfer order inward, the receiving warehouse will be defaulted to warehouse 11 and I just need to select the warehouse from where the inventory will be shipped. Now let me create a transfer order inward. We use Flow to create this transfer order. Once created, we can view the status of the transfer order using the View Details option. Similarly, when I create a transfer order outward, as I belong to warehouse 11, the shipping warehouse will be defaulted to warehouse 11. I'll be selecting the receiving warehouse where the product will be shipped. Now, let me create a transfer order outward. Once created, we can view the status of the transfer order using the View Details option. When I click the Create Transfer Order, be it inward or outward, these transfer orders are created in D365 FNO. It gives me the transfer order number. I'll be able to see the status of this transfer order further. Now, we can check the same in D365 if this transfer order is created or not. Let me sign into D365. I have signed into D365 now. Here we see the list of transfer orders. And here you go. This is the transfer order created using Power Apps. It's getting reflected in D365. Again, let's get on to the Power Trans app and see the next scenario, which is the search product option. I'm walking into the retail space and I see the barcode is not available. I'll be able to search the item based on the item name. The application will display the closest match of the search criteria I have entered. I'll be selecting the item depending upon the physical item. Then it will allow me to view the details where I'll be able to print the barcode from here itself and stick it on the shelf. Here also we will be able to create transfer order inward and outward as explained a while ago. We have proposed for a few enhancements. We can add the option transfer status to monitor the status of the transfers that belong to the user's location or warehouse. We will be able to introduce the transfer receipts as well, as the standard option in MPOS do not have the scanning option for receiving. Stock or inventory count feature can be introduced. Power BI reports or charts could be implemented. The major features of this application are easy handling of printing a barcode, validating the price, ensuring proper maintenance of inventory, indirectly benefiting the customer experience by having the right information in the retail store, and optimized inventory. This can be rolled out as a plug and play model with Dynamics 365 and within a week's time for any other endpoints. On the whole, this application acts as a one point solution to review the status of inventory, print barcode, sales price history, and transfer requests. And that is the end of this session. Thank you for watching this presentation.